Hey there, folks. Today, I'm diving into the world of Kawasaki graphics with the KFX 450R ZANY white Senge graphics kit. Now, right off the bat, I gotta say, this kit caught my eye with its bold design showcased in the photo. But let's get into the nitty-gritty. First up, installation. The good news is, it's a breeze. No need to fuss with trimming. Just slap these bad boys on and you're good to go. Plus, being proudly manufactured in the USA, you can trust the quality. Speaking of quality, these graphics are no joke. They're crafted with the most aggressive adhesives and boast a thickness of 22 mm, making them scratch-resistant and ready to take on extreme riding conditions. And with self-healing technology, you can say goodbye to worrying about wear and tear. But let's talk about what matters most, the looks. The digital printing process ensures crystal clear, high-definition graphics that are bound to turn heads on the trails. Whether you're ripping through mud or cruising through the woods, your Kawasaki will stand out from the pack. Now, it's worth mentioning that this kit doesn't include plastics, so keep that in mind before hitting that buy button. All in all, if you're looking to give your Kawasaki KFX 450R a serious style upgrade, the ZANY white Senge graphics kit is definitely worth considering. With its durability, easy installation, and head-turning design, it's a no-brainer for riders who want to stand out from the crowd. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.